Hey everyone, Random Randy here, VEDA day 22 for April 22nd, 2018. And you just got to see a clip of me sewing together a Zero Lovie, and now I have 2 more to finish. Yay! I need to start focusing on thinking more about selling my shawl pattern, so maybe I'll get more sales for that and get a little bit more of a break from the Zero Lovies. So, my kids are insane. It's about 6:30 p.m. right now, so they've already eaten and they're kind of crazy because it's approaching bedtime, but it's not quite bedtime because stupid daylight savings time. Now the sun is up for another almost 2 hours. Yay! Anyway, so if you aren't in the Facebook group, you won't know, but I managed to damage my foot pretty badly last night. I dropped a 9x13 glass pan full of brownies, hot out of the oven, I might add, onto my foot. Luckily, which I didn't really notice until I took a shower this morning and saw the fist-sized bruise on my thigh, I apparently slowed it down by catching more of the weight of it with my thigh before it fell onto my foot. So it slowed the momentum enough that nothing is broken, but there's some pretty heavy bruising and a lot of soreness going on. But best part, the glass pan didn't break and none of the brownies escaped the pan. They were pretty smushed and messed up, but they still tasted delicious. So aside from super sore foot, win all around, I guess. So this morning, even though my foot was kind of sore, pretty sure nothing was broken because stretching it a little bit felt good. I can put weight on it as long as I roll my foot really slow. I can walk on it completely. I just can't run or hop around, which is fine, I suppose. So this afternoon, I had a feeling I was going to need more white yarn. So all I have left is part of a 12-ounce skein of white yarn for Zero Lovies. And now on top of the one that I needed to finish up either today or tomorrow. Hopefully I'll either finish one tonight or get as many parts of 2 of them done tonight as possible. I got an order for another one as soon as we got home from the craft store today. We went to JoAnn's because I got a 20% off coupon this morning for your total purchase, including sales stuff, so can't go wrong there. So I guess this is kind of a mini JoAnn haul-ish. There's not a lot of stuff, so it's not really anything special, but almost everything that I got is duplicates. Except for one thing. I think there's only one thing I didn't get 2 of. So, between all of this stuff on sale and my 20% off coupon, I saved $18.86, spent $52. So I wanted to try this out, and I saw it on Hirschner's, and I hadn't committed to buying anything yet, even though I have a bunch of stuff in my cart. So I actually got 2 of these. This is the Super Saver Fair Isle. This is the newspaper Fair Isle. And as you can see, it's white and gray, and it has little black speckly bits throughout it that once it's knitted up or crocheted, you can see the picture here. Maybe you can see the picture. There we go. They look pretty cool. So I got 2 of those. I got a glue gun because I found all of my ribbon and all of my hair bows to use with the ribbon and cannot find my glue gun. I don't know if I let somebody borrow it or if my husband used it and put it somewhere else, but after organizing everything in my craft room, I have not found it. It was only $8 and I got 20% off of that, so not bad overall. I still have a ton of glue sticks. I have so much ribbon. I need to just take a couple of days, sit down, and use it all up to make hair bows and put them up in my shop and get them gone. Because we might find out we're moving toward the end of this year. So I'm kind of in declutter and stash down mode, because if we have to move come like November, I'd like to have a lot less stuff to take with us if we do have to move. So yeah, super fun. Glue gun. Other thing that I got is a big old thing of Fabri-Tac, because I would like to, I have some felt and I'm thinking of making small amigurumi that I would make little faces and bits and pieces for them out of felt, and I could use this, which would be a lot quicker than sewing it on. So this is a specific fabric glue that is washable. What else did I get? So I got two things that are new to me. I got two sweet rolls. This is the Rocket. Yeah, this is the Rocket Pop colorway. If you've seen Lisa Happy to Hook, I think her channel name is Happy to Hook Creations now, but she made Wonder Woman hats with these and got the little iron-on applique for them, which looked super, super cool. But I saw these and they were on sale for $3.99 plus another 20% off, so the price on them ended up being $2.47 each. Should have gotten a few more, but I didn't want to go crazy because I was on a mission, and I will get to that mission in just a moment once I show you the other nifty new thing. New-ish, at least new to me, colorway in Super Saver stripes. This is the Calm stripe. It looks like it has the same colors with a slightly darker blue as the Red Heart Super Saver Icelandic, which I really like, but this is the longer blocks of stripes rather than being variegated and switching every few stitches. So two of those. And then for the important thing, which is the whole reason that I went, because Randy had a feeling, you know, that gut intuition, gotta trust it. Your lizard brain knows what's going on. So I knew I was gonna need more of this stuff for Zero Lovies. And figuring out, I thought, oh, maybe I'll just get 2 or 3 Caron 1-pound yarns because they were on sale for $6.99. And then I was looking at it and I was like, well, maybe I should just get Red Heart Jumbo because it's, you know, about the same size, slightly cheaper than the 1 pound, ounce per ounce cheaper than the 1 pound. And I was like, ooh, but the regular skeins of Super Saver are on sale for $2.79. And then the 20% off of that. So I got 6 skeins of Red Heart Super Saver White. And before I even had stuff unloaded from the car, I got an order for another Zero Lovie. It's just been one of those days, y'all. It's been one of those weekends. Yay, money! But, oh my lord, I need to find someone I can outsource to, like, make the squares, or who can at least sew the pieces together for me. I'm gonna have to really start thinking about it more assembly line style, but how am I supposed to get ahead by a few when I keep getting 2 or 3 orders at a time? Because I just used up the last of that mill-end Caron 1 pound white for the Zero Lovie that I've got in a bag over there, because I have 2 orders packaged up to go out tomorrow. So now I might be able to either finish up a 1/3 that'll go out tomorrow, or like I said, do as many of the parts for 2 of them at the same time as I can, do like 2 squares, and then the other stuff. And then when we were headed home, it was about 4:30, and I was like, you know what? I know how my kids are. Might as well get food out. And I was like, guys, this is the last time we are getting garbage food that is not something that we cooked at home until Daddy gets home. Okay? Okay. Found out my husband's gonna be home end of next weekend. Yay! So excited. So yeah, I'm having great regret for dining at the Golden Arches. Yeah, regretting it already. That sweet tea though, oh, so good. I only got a sandwich. The kids had milkshake, fries, nuggets, the whole shebang. Me, I was like, I contemplated not getting anything at all and just eating when we got home, but I knew that if I was going to be smelling the garbage in the car, I was going to need to eat some. So, got myself a sandwich, no fries, sandwich and a drink, and just... And I even got the medium size. Be proud of me. Because the guy was like, you sure you only want a medium? You know, large is the same price. I'm like, thanks. Yeah, I only want the medium. That's more than enough. More than enough. So yeah. I got a few new yarns to play with. And I got seemingly excessive quantities of white yarn, but like I said, with the way I've been getting orders for those Zero Lovies, I know I'm gonna need them. So, all this, plus the 6 skeins of white, and a big bottle of fabric glue, and my glue gun for 50 bucks. Not bad. It got us all out of the house for a little bit. The kids were pretty well behaved. It was nice. You don't need a drink of my soda. Here, take a sip and go. Okay, thank you. Be gone. So yeah, I am pleased and I am glad that I didn't bother ordering from JoAnn or Hirschner's, even though I have decent online coupons. I just didn't want to wait for shipping. Even, I mean, Hirschner's shipping isn't bad. Theirs usually takes about a week, somewhere between 5 and 7 business days. JoAnn's, last time I paid for express shipping through them, like paid an extra $15. It took almost 3 weeks to get here. Not very express, just saying. So yeah. So my plan for the evening once the kids go to bed is going to be to crack on with as much Zero Lovey construction as I can stomach. I did get some organizing and sorting of stuff done today, and my foot was feeling well enough after we got home, even after walking around on it, that I did end up moving the pieces of furniture that will be going out with our yearly bulk trash pickup. Whenever I call it in. I still have a little bit of sorting to do before I find out exactly how much stuff I have, because when you call them, you have to tell them, oh, I have this, this, and this, and then they'll break the tags down, and then a day or two later, they'll arrange for somebody for the trash or recycling truck to specifically come pick up all your crap, so super fun there. But I guess that is about it for me. I'm gonna run off and get as much of this edited as I can before it is shower time, because my kids haven't taken a shower in like 2 days. And we played outside yesterday, and we went to public places today, so getting clean and de-germing is a must, and yes, I'm one of those people. So I hope you all had an awesome weekend. I hope that nobody else had any foot injuries. Because super creepy, a lady here who we've befriended, whose kids sometimes hang out with my kids, she was just, I guess, running around having fun and dancing yesterday and managed to break her left foot, which is the opposite from the foot that I injured. It's really, really weird. So weird. Strange coincidences abound. Like I said, hope you all had an awesome weekend, and I will catch you guys in another day or two when I get a chance to record some stuff. And hopefully I'll have the energy to get as much of this moving of junk done as I possibly can before my husband gets home, because I'd really like the house to not look like a bomb went off in it before he gets here. So thank you so much everybody for watching and sticking around. And now that I have passed 1,500 subscribers, in the next day or two, I will be getting everything together so that I can do an official giveaway video. So make sure that you're subscribed and click the notification bell if you want to make sure you find out when that happens. And I will see you all whenever I put up the next one. So thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.